The Ministry of Health has issued an alert for Jamaicans to look out for signs and symptoms of monkeypox. Shamela Pullen has more in this primetime news follow-up.
In recent weeks, monkeypox outbreaks have been reported in Europe, Canada, North America, and Australia. Most cases are linked to persons with recent travel to countries where monkeypox is endemic, mainly in West Africa. Since then, concerns have been raised about the health ministry's plans in the event of an outbreak in Jamaica.
Persons must report to the health department if they develop a fever, a rash, following recent international travel, or close contact with persons who have traveled to endemic countries.
According to the chief medical officer, children are at higher risk. Pregnant women who contract the virus are also susceptible to complications, including stillbirth. The incubation period of monkeypox is usually from 6 to 13 days, but can range from 5 to 21 days.
Symptoms can be mild or severe and associated with skin rash that can be very itchy or painful. Severe disease may be fatal. The disease is often self-limiting, with symptoms usually resolving spontaneously within 14 to 21 days. Symptoms include fever, chills, intense headaches, exhaustion, backache, muscle ache, swollen lymph nodes, and rash.
Monkeypox is a rare disease that is similar to smallpox and can be transmitted by contact and droplet exposure. However, the World Health Organization (WHO) has reported that the current outbreak is spreading primarily through sexual contact. Dr. Bisesa Mackenzie says measures used to contain the spread of COVID-19 are a good defense against the monkeypox.
Normal general hygiene measures as well as respiratory hygiene measures are going to prevent exposure. So washing of hands frequently, hand sanitization, wearing a mask, which we now do because of COVID, is also helpful to prevent droplet transmission. But again, remember that droplets are transmitted only over a small distance. And so if you maintain physical distancing, that will also prevent transmission.
Dr. Bisesa Mackenzie is also urging private medical doctors to report cases to the Ministry of Health. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.